Assalamualaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today, I am going to take an English class for class junior students. Our today's topic: making words take G from M. Okay, let's start our today's class. So let's see first our today's class date. 23/01/22, class junior 1, subject English, topic making words G to M, class number 2, age level number 2, teacher Ariful Islam, and this is my mobile number. Okay, my dear students, but before this, open up this book, Lexi's Smart Grammar, and go to page number 7. Lesson 2, the alphabet page. Okay, so let's read first. So, A for ant, A for alligator, B for baby, B for bat, C for cat, C for cow, D for drum, D for duck, E for elephant, E for eye, F for fish, F for frog. We will learn today from G. G for goose, G for girl, H for horse, H for house. Let's go to next page. I for ice, I for igloo, J for joker, J for jelly, K for king, K for cattle, L for lion, L for lamb, M for mango, M for mat. Okay, let's start. We're going to the board, making word with letters. Okay, from our today's topic, making words with letters from G to M. Okay, so you can see the letter is given. So G, you have to make two words with its letters. So G for goose. So G will be small. Okay, G double O S E, goose. G for goose. And G for girl. You have to put a comma here. Girl, G-I-R-L, girl. So G for goose, G for girl. You have to start the words with small letter. Okay, G for goose, G for girl. Next one, H for horse. H will be small, H-O-R-S-E. H for horse. Put a comma. H for horse and H for house. So H for horse, H for house. Next one, I. I for ice. I-C, ice. I for igloo. I-G-L-O-O. So I for ice, I for igloo. Next number, J. J for joker, J-O-K-E-R, joker. J for joker, comma, J for jelly, J-E-L-L-Y, jelly. Okay, J for joker, J for jelly. Next one, K. K for king, spelling K-I-N-G, king. K for king, K-I-N-G, king. And K for cattle, K-E-T-T-L-E. So K for king, K for cattle. Next one, L. L for lion, L-I-O-N, lion. Okay. Next one, L for lamb, L-A-M-B, lamb. So L for lion, L for lamb. Last one is M for mango, M-A-N-G-O, M for mango, and M for is mat, M-A-T, mat. Okay, M for mango, M for mat. So let's read again. Making words with letters from G to M. So G for goose, G for girl. You have to start the words with capital letters. Remember, okay? G for goose, G for girl. H for horse, H for house. I for ice, ICE, ice. I for igloo. J for joker, J-O-K here, J for jelly. K for king, K for cattle. L for lion, L for lamb. M for mango, M for mat. Let's do it for the last time. G for goose, G for girl. H for horse, H for house. I for ice, I for igloo. J for joker, J for jelly. K for king, K for cattle. L for lion, L for lamb. M for mango, M for mat. So, dear students, your example will be example 2, making words with letters from G to M. Example 2, making words from G to M. So, dear students, that's all for today. Do your assign SW at home and submit on Saturday from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. in the school library. Thanks for watching this video. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.